Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4, and today I'll show you how you can insert a SIM card into this phone. Now obviously this phone only takes SIM cards, so you won't be able to insert an SD card if you wanted to. But anyway, for this we'll need a SIM tool, which comes provided in a box. They usually look a little bit different than this, but if you can't find it, you can also use a paper clip. Straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now from there, you want to locate the tray, which looks to be located on the, if you open it up, on the top left side of the phone, right over here. Now there will be an insert pin right there, so push your tool in. As you can see, it pops out just a little bit, but enough for us to grab it and take it out. Now it looks like, this one only takes a single SIM card and nothing else. So just pop it on here. It should hold in place, and then slide it back into place. Now I don't know if you can see, but it did come out just a little bit of the tray. It's not flush anymore. And it did, I think, come out a little bit outwards as well, so I'm gonna, there we go, try that again. Now if that happens to you, don't try to jam it harder in there. Just take it out, place it back on the tray carefully, and just try to insert it back again. Now once you do so, the SIM card should start working immediately without any additional steps needed. So just, for me, I do have a pin, so I do have a step needed to verify the SIM card pin, but once I do so, as you can see, it automatically starts working, or not, because the SIM card is kind of dead. But yeah, oh, never mind, it is working now. So yeah, this is how you would insert a SIM card into this phone. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.